Okay, welcome back. In this step, we're going to be implementing the run tests node in our diagram. If you go to my blog post, I actually have a run tests section. I'll add it in the video description, but we're going to just copy and paste this over. We'll do a run tests.ts and add it in. Now this runs the tests and returns a promise with the test results. Again, AI generated function. Basically what this is doing is it's running the node.js exec command with our npm run test. So this, if we go to our package, is running here. And that's it. The remainder is actually, we have this test output variable that we're going to be adding onto, and which is important because if and when tests do fail, we're going to want to know why they fail so we can eventually pass it back to the AI. So we're going to maintain this, and eventually we actually pass it back. The other thing is we do a check if they passed. Let's do npm run test. And so if you see here, this is just a big output. So our test to see if they pass, we're actually checking this literal check character, in which case we're making sure that our standard out, our terminal output, has a check. We're also making sure there are no X's and there is no word fail. And this seems to work well. It's a little raw. Ideally, we don't need to check the string content of our standard out, but it works. Let's bring this back into our index.ts and let's do, I believe it's, yep, so we can do, we want to extract these, so we'll do passed, and I believe it's this, equals, await run tests. We'll import it. I actually just want test output here. We'll change the promise. Cool. So now, let's just do console.log, and then if we do npm run dev, and if we look through here, we added to the add.ts file, we ran the tests, it outputted the test results. In our case, they all passed. And then so we log passed, and it's true. If we look back at our diagram, we've just fulfilled this section here. We've ran the tests and they passed. So we break out of it. We're done. In the next video, we're going to go down this failure route. What happens if our test fails? How do we manage that?